This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well, now let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market, guys, the action that also corresponds to our analysis, and as we said, the 1218 area is very suitable for downward continuation since market has formed on the intraday charts reversal butterfly pattern. In general, this action to the upside was really choppy and slow. That's typical for the retracements, and market has turned to the downside yesterday. Our major object in the very short-term perspective is the challenging of these lows around 1180 area on the daily time frame chart. But as a lot of stops have been placed below this area, I can't exclude that market will proceed lower to the 1160, 1175 area. And I don't know what will happen today, since today is the New Year's Eve, and probably market will be very thin and flat because a lot of people already is celebrating. Well, anyway, market now stands on the road to the possible clear out of these lows. Our second stage of the longer term trading plan is to see how market will behave after the breakout, whether it will be wash and rinse or market will hold and remain below this area and will continue to move lower. That's a bit extended view, and we will discuss it a bit later on the next year probably. But in a very short-term perspective, we should be focused on this current move to the downside. So currently on the daily time frame chart, market is forming some sort of the flag pattern. Well, and with this possible downward continuation, here we also see some sort of the bearish dynamic pressure. So we see the trend has shifted bullish, but price action stands to the downside, and yes, the market again has shifted trend to the bearish side. Well, this in general suggests the taking out of these lows as we previously discussed. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see another smaller butterfly that points on 1175 area. 1160, by the way, guys, this is 127 extension target of the greater butterfly on the weekly time frame chart. Well, here we have discussed yesterday's retracement up and said that this area is very suitable for a possible short-term reversal to the downside. That has happened. Market has passed through this weekly pivot point and returned right back to this area. Now it's forming some sort of the flag pattern. So if you measure the distance as the flag mast till the flag and count it to the downside, you will get approximately the target of the butterfly. It probably should continue to move to the downside. So currently, guys, I do not see any problems with the possible downward continuation. Market stands in favor of this possible move to the downside. So I do not see just any signs that could say that this downward action will not happen. Well, that's why if you still hold the bearish position or you have entered here on the short side, just tight the stops and watch what will happen further, because market here had moved below the weekly pivot point. As we said, this area is perfect for short entry, and this now we see that market stands with this action to the downside. And as the picture on the daily time frame chart is on the 4-hour time frame chart suggests, that probably market should continue to move to the downside further. Well, on the hourly time frame chart, I do not see particularly a lot of interesting stuff. Maybe the ultimate target of this butterfly to the downside and 1618 completion point of this greater ABCD pattern. That also stands approximately the same area, 1175. But all these moments we have discussed already previously. So this is the same things that we are repeating every update, since they are still valid, and that's really, these patterns point on the area that really could become the possible target in the short-term perspective. So now we just need to wait what will happen and how a particular market will try to challenge these lows around 1180. That is, in the short-term perspective, the most important and significant event.